Functional devices relay-in-a-box wall mount enclosures offer protection for your network components and hardware while maximizing floor space. These enclosures are NEMA 1 rated and help give your equipment extra protection from dirt, chemicals, moisture, and other contaminants in harsh environments. They are available in either steel or plastic composition. They also feature hinged or screw cover designs. Smaller sized options offer screw lock covers, and larger sizes are equipped with key latch doors, most of which are reversible. For more information on functional devices relay-in-a-box wall mount enclosures and other functional devices solutions, visit galco.com.